Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, simple, easy to make but heavy style and different stylized patterns of neckline embroidery designs for dresses, shirts, tops, midi dresses, short length kurti, medium length or long length shirts. So before going into the further details or depth, I have a simple request to you that if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and in the comment section, and do let us know which design you like the most. And we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing designs with you is to share creativity and design patterns, different stylized neckline embroidery patterns ranging from v-neck embroidery, bot neck embroidery, square shape embroidery, crew neck embroidery, and different more motif style floral embroidery patterns have been shared. The embroidery patterns are easy, elegant, stylish, and decent to make. And furthermore, I will add that if you want to create the exact design which you are seeing onto your screens, then I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads along with the exact color of fabric base so that you can get the results closer to the designs which you have selected to make. Guys, with your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices. Now, I will tell you how you can use them for everyday wear and how you can make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for formal or party wear. So you can make use of beads, pearls, and sequins in these embroidery patterns to give them a look of creativity along with formal touch, and use a fabric base like heavy materials like velvet, silk, raw silk, and any type of shimmer material. So thank you so much for watching.